Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how to delete windows.old in Windows 11. That means how to delete old version of your Windows files from Windows 11 OS. Now before we start, I'll tell you what is this windows.old. Windows 11 is a storage hog. The operating system itself takes up 64 GB of space altogether. If you have been hunting down files and folders to delete on your system drive to generate some space, you may have come across a folder named windows.old. Unfortunately, it is not possible to delete it by simply hitting the delete key. The windows.old folder is created whenever you upgrade Windows to a newer version. Now if you need that space, then follow these methods in this video, which will help you to get rid of it completely. Now the first method is to use storage sense. Now for that, open the settings app. Now from there, go to the systems on the left side and then look for storage on the right pane. Open it. Now wait for the disk space to be analyzed. Once that is done, just click on this temporary files. Now before we head to temporary files, you can see an option here, storage sense. If you turn on this option, then it will automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage locally available cloud content. This will help you to get rid of huge space consumption. So now let's head to the temporary files. Now here you will be shown a list of items that are not needed any longer and can be deleted without any issue. Here you will see a previous Windows installation section. From there you can check that one and then click on remove files at the top. Now the next method is to use disk cleanup. Now for that, just click on start. From there, type disk cleanup. You will get it here, just open it. Now select the system drive. By default it will be C drive. And now click on OK. Now just click on clean up system files. Now select the drive which you want to clean up. Then click on OK. Now it has searched for the files which you can clear from your systems. If you find the previous Windows installation option, then select it. You can see it here, previous Windows installation, which consumes around 8.21 GB of space. Now click on OK. Now it will prompt whether you want to permanently delete these files, then click on delete files. It will start deleting the previous installation file. Just click on S to confirm. Now the third method is using the command prompt. For power users, Terminal app will get rid of the Windows.old folder as well. Here is how you can do that. You have to open the command prompt. Just click on start. From there, just search for CMD. Then run the command prompt as administrator. Now type in the following command. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.